is our last day of the week together. It's kind of like your Friday. How are you today? Has it been a good week or a great week? All right, let's jump right in. Echo after me. The month is September. I'm noticing that yesterday was September 16th. If yesterday was September 16th, then today is September 17th. Let's remember that and go fill in our date. We know that September is the 9th month. It is September 17th, 2020. There is our date in number form. Let's go do it in word form. September 17th, 2020. Let's check what day of the week it is. I see that digraph TH, which tells me Thursday. Today is Thursday. So if today is Thursday, hop backwards to yesterday. What was yesterday? You're right. Yesterday was Wednesday. So if yesterday was Wednesday, today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Yesterday we had been at school 6 days. 6 plus 1 more is 7. It is our 7th day of school. It's not time to get a rod yet. We gotta wait till the 10th day of school. Using 2 types of coins, I would like to make 7 cents. Help me out. What would you do if you were going to make 7 cents? I would do a nickel and 2 pennies. 5, 6, 7. Good work. Practice that with change around your house, making different numbers. All right, it's our last day with these words, so call them out faster than me. Beat Miss Lawler. B. Said. Or. 1. 4. Was. All right, today for counting, we are starting at 1 and we are going all the way to 120, counting by ones. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, count with me, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Keep counting. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. We're almost there. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Good job, you guys.